Welcome to our session on Network Security Fundamentals. Today, we're diving into firewalls, the unsung heroes of your digital defenses. I'm your instructor, and by the end, you'll understand how they work and why they're essential. Let's get started. At its core, a firewall is a network security device that monitors and controls incoming and outgoing traffic based on predetermined security rules. Think of it as a vigilant bouncer at the door of your network, deciding who gets in and who stays out. It can be hardware, software, or a cloud-based service. Firewalls come in several flavors. Packet filtering firewalls inspect data packets at the network layer, fast but basic. Stateful inspection firewalls track the state of active connections for smarter decisions. Next, general firewalls add intrusion prevention and application awareness. Choose based on your needs, simple for home, advanced for enterprises. Here's the magic. Firewalls use rule sets to evaluate traffic against criteria like IP addresses, ports, and protocols. If it matches, access granted. If not, blocked or logged for review. They sit between your trusted internal network and the wild internet, logging threats to help you respond quickly. Firewalls shine against threats like unauthorized access, DDoS attacks, and malware infiltration. For instance, they can drop, say, in flood packets during a DDoS or block port scans from hackers. Remember, no single tool is perfect. Pair firewalls with antivirus and user training for layered defense. To maximize your firewall's power, keep rules updated, regularly audit logs, and test configurations. Avoid overly permissive settings. They're like leaving the door unlocked. Questions? Fire away. Let's discuss real-world scenarios. Ready to level up your skills? Watch my latest YouTube video on firewall mastery and download the free checklist in the description, link in bio.